Hello and welcome back with the new mukbang video. I am going to show how and why we eat this adal curry in our PG. So let's watch the video till the end. Some of my friends say hostel curry is achane. Let me try. How is the hostel curry? I never eat. Hey, what is the sound of this? मेरे घर में ये सब सब्जी खाया नहीं कभी. ये अच्छा लगता है मुझे खाने में. मेरा बस्ती में ये कभी नहीं मिलेगा. ये स्पेशल है. हॉस्टल लाइफ में ये खाने मिला. I am the luckiest one among my family. So let me try. This is karai ne, papor. This is rice ma, meat pickle. ये प्याज. Okay, sorry. This is water. Hostel kita share hostel kita tailang lah. Kira ya ram kai gom kita tom lah, dal kita tom lah. Go ting re neu lei ma neu lei ma fun neu lei ma ke kang lei ma kang ni hate be ni pe sia ma. Ka po kita be hostel kita pe zam da. God made our hand to have food. Bala sih. What is this? Bala sih, bijam bala sih. Ami kaya nani? Pet kali na hoy ami. Tasty curry. Ami itu siapa cila? Apa ini apa? Suku macam mana? Lain kau dah hostel. Nam gitu ya. Kira tu macam dal gila kelai me kiki ni boleh. This is meat. Saya nak apa mencintai India karena out of India. I'm out of India. मेरा दिमाग इंडिया से बाहर है. Saya super dah. Some says cow eat grass, but even human too eat grass. This is not a grass. Grass family related to grass. This is a sexy medicine. Oh, I forgot to eat papor. Solar system. Tiếng giấy một cái tên này mà cả. Iya. Bala sih bagai apa ni? Kami kaya apa yang mau dok? Kami kaya mau dok ni. Bala sih tak. Kami tahu ni. Oh, those who are staying in PG, for those who are coming, especially for those who are coming for 3G ammunition course, this is the best food ever we receive. Yeah, we never have this kind of food in our home, in our village. Don't try to complain again. This is the best curry. Dal is the best. It can give us more energy. We can dance by having this food. I become more intelligent because of this curry.
it seems you guys are having a special food in your home, ना? घर में खाता भी नहीं है, खाने के लिए मिलता भी नहीं, complaining this and that. Oh, friend, stop complaining, okay? This is the best one.
Yeah, मेरा पेट बड़ा हो गया है. Pregnant, it seems I'm having a pregnant. So, their providers, we are not complaining, but we want non-veg. Twice or thrice in a week. We are having dal daily. That is not a digested one, yeah. We are not complaining, but we want meat, non-veg चाहिए मुझे चाहिए. हफ्ता में 2-3 बार तो दे दो ना भाई. अरे यार, मेरा पेट को भी कुछ होना दो. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is not much important, but it's kind of entertaining. So as we usually eat this curry, so we just want to show my viewers that Mr. Zeliang is having a dal curry and becoming more handsome and handsome, more beautiful and beautiful, and filter and everything. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.